Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start New Game Plus in Expedition 33. To start your New Game Plus, you're going to have to go through the entirety of Act 3's main story, which is a difficult task in and of itself, because of the enemies you're gonna have to encounter before you can even reach Renoir. So I'd suggest doing every single side quest or side areas in Act 3 beforehand to get yourself ready for the biggest fight in the game. Once you've beaten Renoir and chose your ending, then just approach any expedition flag in the game and interact with it. You're going to see the option to start your New Game Plus, which will restart the story entirely, but you can keep your equipment intact, saving you from having to collect them again and waste too much of your time. In the New Game Plus, enemies are tougher and deal more damage. It's not gonna be apparent during the early acts in the game, but once you get further into the story once again, the enemies will exhibit stronger attributes. And that's about it on how to start New Game Plus in Expedition 33.